Hi all. Today I'm going to try to solve 8 by 8 and 9 by 9. Okay. So these are called as like big cubes. I hardly practice this and it's been a long time since I ever tried 8 by 8 and 9 by 9. So let us see if I can solve these today or not. And also I'm going to use a timer. You can see this timer here. Okay, I'm going to use the timer, and before starting any of these puzzles I'm going to inspect them for just like few seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Then I hit the timer and start. So let's begin. Inspection. Okay, so I'm hitting the timer now, right? So I start. All right, let's go. All right. So that was 8 by 8. 8 by 8 after a long time. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to time myself with 9 by 9. Okay, so let's begin. Inspection. All right, so I'm going to start the timer. Let's begin. Start. All right, so 9 by 9, a lot of time. Okay, but still I'm happy that I solved these big cubes after a very very long time, and I'm going to practice these now. Okay, so that was 8 by 8 and 9 by 9. All right, thank you.